Hi, welcome to my ingredients analysis, application demonstration, and results of the HiSmile Teeth Whitening Kit. If you're not interested in the ingredients, I have timestamps down below in my description box, as well as clickable timestamps pinned as the first comment in this video. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and you hit that notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. My videos help you to become a more informed consumer because I dive deep into the ingredients in our cosmetics, skincare, hair care, and now teeth products using evidence-based research. You should absolutely know what ingredients go into your personal care products, and I'm here to help you do that. So let's get into these ingredients. The HiSmile Whitening Kit comes with a few different products, and I want to first touch on the whitening gel. The two whitening agents within this gel are the thalidoxycaproic acid, which is also known as PAP, as well as sodium bicarbonate. We also have two different emollients, which are going to help to maintain moisture within the gel. They also have a solvent-like property, which means they're going to dissolve other ingredients within the formula. These two ingredients are propylene glycol as well as glycerin. We next have three different thickeners, and these are going to help to increase the viscosity of the bleaching gel, and they are sodium carboxymethylcellulose, hydroxyethylcellulose, and xanthan gum. PEG 8 is an emulsifier, and it's going to help to keep the oil and water portions of the formula together. Hydroxyapatite is a bioavailable ingredient, and this is going to help to inhibit the erosion of the enamel on our teeth, as well as improve the strength of our teeth. We next have three plant extracts: chamomile, aloe, and pomegranate, and they all have soothing properties to them. The chamomile also adds a bit of a fresh feel to the mouth. Sorbitol is a sugar alcohol, and this is going to help to prevent tooth decay, as well as add a bit of a sweet taste to the gel. The sodium saccharin also improves the taste of the gel, and the fragrance improves the scent. Keep in mind, when we see fragrance as an ingredient, we don't actually know what goes into that fragrance because it is considered a trade secret. The whitening gel also contains potassium nitrate, which is a desensitizer. That means it's going to help to minimize discomfort from the whitening process. Finally, there are two preservatives in this formula. They are propylparaben and methylparaben. Moving on to the toothpaste, there are two different toothpastes in this kit. There is a day toothpaste and a night toothpaste. I am going to cover a few of the key ingredients I wanted to share with you, starting with the day toothpaste. I wanted to point out that this has peppermint oil as well as menthol in it, so this is a minty type of toothpaste. And we have calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate in this formula. These two ingredients help to reduce plaque and remove stains. The day toothpaste also contains aloe for soothing properties. And finally, the dicalcium phosphate dihydrate is also an abrasive, and this is used to clean the teeth. Moving on to the night toothpaste, this formula also contains calcium carbonate and dicalcium phosphate dihydrate. The night toothpaste contains activated charcoal, which is going to bind to stains and remove them, grapefruit, which is a natural whitening agent and very gentle on the enamel, and bentonite clay, and this ingredient helps to remove plaque. All of these ingredients together raise the pH of the mouth, and they make it difficult for bacteria to grow. That concludes my ingredients analysis, and I hope you enjoyed learning about the different ingredients in these formulas. Now let's move on to the application. My kit comes with three different components, and the first one I'm going to cover with you is the HiSmile Teeth Whitening Kit. It comes in this white box, and before we open it up, I just want to direct you to the back side of the box because there is some useful information. The box has directions for use, and there are 6 different steps on how to use the actual teeth whitening kit. I will cover that with you as I'm using it myself. There's also ingredients, some caution info, a few different symbols, one of them being the open jar symbol with a 12M, which means that once you open this product, you have 12 months before it expires. When I open up the HiSmile Teeth Whitening Kit, on the top side, I see 3 syringes holding the whitening gel. On the bottom, I see the card with the different shades of teeth. So this is something you want to use on your teeth before and after to measure your progress. There is also the LED light as well as the mouth tray. I have another kit solely containing teeth whitening gels, and this is to be used once every 2 weeks to maintain the results. Finally, I have my day and night toothpaste, and on the side of the box there is instructions and ingredients information about the day toothpaste as well as the night toothpaste. On the back of the box there are the full ingredients lists for each toothpaste. When I open up the box, I see that the day and night toothpaste are divided by this piece of cardboard, and when I pull them out, the day toothpaste is white and the night toothpaste is black. Before we get started, I do want to measure the shade of my teeth so we have a good idea of what my before is. And when I put the shade card near my teeth, I think that it's somewhere between a 3 and a 4. HiSmile recommends using this product at night, so I am first going to brush my teeth using the night toothpaste. I just finished brushing my teeth and I brushed them for 2 minutes as per the instructions. Now getting into the LED and the mouth tray. These come as 2 separate components, so the mouth tray needs to be fixed on top of the LED. When you look at the back of the LED, you can see there is a battery, and there's also a piece of plastic that needs to be pulled out to activate the battery. Each syringe comes with 2 uses, and you can see on the side of the syringe it's divided into quarters. What you want to do is take 1/4 of the formula and put it on the top of your mouth tray. You then take the next 1/4 of the formula and put it on the bottom of the mouth tray. Then you put the syringe back into the box, and the next day use the remaining half of the whitening gel that's left. I am now turning on my LED, and this blue light is going to activate the whitening agents in the formula. I then put the mouth tray into my mouth and leave it there for 10 minutes. So at the 10-minute mark, it beeps, and now I'm done. There is a buildup of saliva in the tray, and that is normal, and after use, you just need to wash it thoroughly. My teeth now feel just very polished. They feel very smooth. There's no residual gel on them at all. And the taste of the gel is just mildly sweet. It's a bit unremarkable, and that's exactly what I would want from a whitening gel that's going to be on my teeth for 10 minutes. There was no unpleasant taste, and also the scent of it very mild as well. I barely noticed it. I do want to say that the actual mouth tray, the plastic is very flexible and it's very comfortable to have just sitting on your teeth for 10 minutes. So overall, the experience so far was good, and I will check back in with you tomorrow morning and we'll try out the morning toothpaste together. Good morning. Today I am going to use the day toothpaste. Before we get started, I do just want to mention that this morning when I woke up, I experienced absolutely no sensitivity on my teeth from last night's first whitening session. It's now nighttime, and I am about to just take off all my makeup, get ready for bed, and firstly I'm going to brush my teeth using the HiSmile Nighttime Toothpaste. Now it's day 2 of using the LED light with the whitening gel. Because yesterday I used half of the syringe, today I can use the other half of the same syringe. So a quarter of the formula goes on the top of the mouth tray and a quarter of the formula goes on the bottom of the mouth tray. Over the next 4 days, I use the day toothpaste every morning and the night toothpaste and whitening gel every evening. During the 10-minute whitening process each night, I indulged in a self-care ritual. Mini facials were my favorite. The device was so unobtrusive that I was even able to blow dry my hair as well. I've now completed my 6-day whitening treatment using the HiSmile Teeth Whitening Kit, and I am so happy to share with you that my teeth have gotten whiter. I am so pleased with my results, and originally I was hovering somewhere between this 3 and 4 shade, and now I think I'm pretty close to a 1. I'm somewhere between the 1 and 2. Even my husband noticed my teeth looked whiter, and he also said they looked brighter. And I was a little bit naughty because during the teeth whitening treatment, I did have coffee. I can't give my coffee up. So my results were incredible. I still had my coffee, and best of all, I have no sensitivity. I have very sensitive teeth as it is, and typically I use toothpaste targeted towards sensitive teeth. So I was a little bit nervous using the teeth whitening kit because we've all heard that teeth whitening can cause sensitivity. My teeth have never felt better. I had no issues whatsoever using this product. I used it faithfully every single evening, and I had absolutely no pain. The entire system was very easy to use and also easy to clean. Every single day between brushing my teeth morning and night, using the mouth tray, the teeth whitening gel, and cleaning the mouth tray took me no more than 15 minutes. While I had the mouth tray inserted into my mouth, I was still able to walk around, do whatever I wanted to do. It didn't inhibit me whatsoever. Overall, if you are looking for a teeth whitening system, by all means check this one out, especially if you have sensitive teeth. I could not be happier with my results. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now to Lauren O'Connell Beauty TV, and let's navigate together through the world of beauty.